first of all, this is Vishal Khurana, who's done the music for the film Ninja. And you all have heard Jeete Hai Chal. A lot of people are sending messages saying that they were in tears and they love the song and it resonates and gives them heartache and all of that. It's very cool. What's supposed to give us heartache? I don't know. My chance. What was the music? विशाल आप गाने के बारे में बताओ क्योंकि आप द बेस्ट पर्सन टू टॉक अबाउट द म्यूजिक
The music in total?
Yeah, in totality, what, like, they want to know music, camera लो, give some look at the center, हाँ.
The music for this film is very simple and very heartfelt, and I think it's because of the inspiring lyrics of Prasoon sir that it adds that real emotion, whatever, and the film is very genuine and very raw and very honest, and the performance of Sonam especially is like mind blowing.
Okay,
so
you're supposed to say that.
I know, but that was the real inspiration.
Sonam, congratulations for the song. It will be a chartbuster, no doubt.
Congratulations, why congratulating me? इन्होंने गाना बनाया है.
I think you're a part of this song, a part of this movie. It will be a chartbuster after like all chartbuster, which is Coldplay. People are enjoying it. Your fans are enjoying it.
Everything is amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, people are enjoying it. There are certain people who have not liked the song a beat.
I think I'll answer this in one statement. There's something amazing that I read on Facebook. The most Indian thing about Coldplay's video is their reaction to it. Yes. I want to talk about Jeete Hai Chal. I want to talk about Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se, because right now let's talk about what we as Indians are doing. What people are doing to Indians. So Jeete Hai Chal is the first song that was out, and there are 4 songs in the film. 4, right? 4 songs. There's Jeete Hai Chal. There's Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se, which is right now my personal favorite. Then there's the mother song. What is it called? The mother song?
Aisa Kyun Maa.
Aisa Kyun Maa. And then there's a love song which we'll be launching very soon. So there are 4 songs and they're all situational, they're all inspirational, and there is obviously no lip sync in this film, but it adds to the performance. Filmmaking is a collaboration, it's a collaborative process, and I don't think anything separately works, and music is such an integral part of it. And especially in a film like Ninja, the music has to be really like delicate and beautiful and add to the film. And I think Vishal has done an amazing job with that. So and they are all written so beautifully, and that's all Prasoon sir. I mean, he's the person who wrote Masakali for me. Like I said inside, it made me world famous in India. I'm using Apple's lines, and it made me Sonam Kapoor, and it was a song about freedom. And I think over here he knows how to write for young people. I feel he understands the voice of young people. So where Masakali was about freedom of a young person in India, for me Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se is the voice of what I think the youth in India are feeling right now, that we don't want to be scared anymore, we want to face everybody and everything and have an opinion like we do on everything. So I think he gets the pulse, and he is, I think, one of the most important poets of our time right now. So I'm very, very excited that Prasoon sir has done 3 of my films. Yay!
But this will not be in the movie. So this song will not be in the movie. Have you wished कि काश ये गाना होता movie में?
डाल दो यार गाना. हाँ, please. Like I said, it's a voice. It's like the ad for a film. You understand? It's the essence of what the film is. It's like I said, I keep saying that this film is about the youth for the youth. She was 23 years old. And if you see the energy in that song, it's the pulse of what we're feeling, and that drum in our heart to kind of work, do something. So I think it's like it's Ram's. He's using his advertising and he's using it for our film to say that this is the essence of the song. We can't tell you what the story is about, but this is what we're trying to say with the film. And that's what's important. Yes, जी.
सबका एक डर होता है.
हाँ जी.
डर होता है. आपका वो कौन सा डर रहा है जिंदगी में आपकी?
Besides my mother. मैं actually एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली अभी दिखाई नहीं देता, but I was a very shy person. मैं बहुत ही shy थी. I'm not very good at public speaking. मुझे स्टेज फ्राइट बहुत है. एक्चुअली 8 साल पहले मैंने एक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, और उसके बाद I have never performed on stage till I did Stardust or something. I did in Stardust I danced again after 8 years, and that's only because I did Nija. And I realized that it's a small thing. It's going up on stage and facing people and performing or dancing or talking on stage. I don't know if you've never heard me host a show or danced on stage or any of those things. And only because I did Nija, I realized यार मैं कौन हूँ यार, मैंने क्या किया life में. This girl faced fear and she saved life, and she realized she was fearful for her life and she still did it. What am I fearful for? कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? And I think that's everybody's biggest fear. अब मैंने एक campaign किया है, Fear versus Nija, और I'm telling you 90% of the people who have been tagging me and tagging Fear versus Nija are all afraid to be themselves and are afraid of लोग क्या कहेंगे. And I think that's all our fear right now, and so that was my biggest fear. लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Sonam, you said your dad has seen the film. What was his reaction like?
आप उनसे ही पूछ लो ना, मैं क्या बोलूँगी.
सोनम 10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी रंगे बसंती.
हाँ जी.
10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी रंगे बसंती.
कसम से आप कुछ बोला.
लोगों को बहुत इंस्पायर किया था. तो क्या लगता है ये मूवी भी उतना ही लोगों को इंस्पायर कर पाएगी?
I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope that happens. Both the directors' names start with R and Prasoon attached to कुछ तो हो जाएगा. And both of them are my directors, if I may say so. So I hope that happens. I really, really hope that happens क्योंकि this film is to inspire people.
And ma'am, is this creatively your most satisfying experience?
Every film I would say the same thing. So till now, this has been my most creatively satisfying. I could do what I wanted to do in this film.
Any fear you want to overcome?
Huh?
Any fear you want to overcome?
Lots of fears, yeah.
एक अगर बोलना चाहें.
A fear of not having I don't want to ever not have an opinion on something.
Sonam, you're talking about opinions here. These days, whenever someone gives an opinion, it becomes a big thing. Do you think?
It's a good thing, yeah. At least people are discussing things. People are not afraid. I think it's a very good thing.
No. For instance, Shah Rukh's intolerance statement became a big thing. No, my question is whenever these days, whenever you ask him questions on those, he says that I won't be talking about it. So, is there a fear about expressing one's opinion?
No, that's what's scary. That's exactly what I said. You know, recently at a conclave where they asked me to talk. I don't know why they keep calling me to talk about things. Obviously, they know I make good copy. But I was like, just imagine the way we're reacting to someone like a Shah Rukh Khan or an Amir Khan or anything. They will be afraid to say or talk about things because of the negative reactions. We should be supportive of people who have opinions, good, bad or ugly. Everybody should have a right to speak. And I feel like no matter what, like I went through this even 2-3 years ago. I said something and I was trolled like on another level. Not 2-3 years ago, it was actually a year ago. I don't know why I feel like it was so long. But then at the end of the day, I was like, if I have this platform, I have this voice, people actually listen to what I have to say. I'm going to keep doing it no matter what. Eventually somebody will hear what I have to say.
How was it working with Beyonce?
I didn't work with her. It was amazing. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
विशाल खुराना बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और यंग, और बहुत सबसे अच्छी बात विशाल खुराना की जो मुझे लगती है वो ये कि उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस है पर एरोगेंस नहीं है. क्योंकि क्या होता है यंग एज में बहुत कम परवाह करते हैं लोग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़ की, और मुझे लगता है कि इनकी सबसे अच्छी खासियत यह है कि ये सुनते हैं और उस पर अमल करते हैं. ही इज़ नॉट जस्ट एरोगेंट और टैलेंटेड. He listens to you and he also ready to make changes, accept other people's suggestions, and I think that's a very good thing about him. That will take him a long way. See, the attempt is to try and be as real as possible. So the plane was built with full reality. The kitchen was working, the bathrooms are working. Everybody went through workshops, and everybody actually gave their heart and soul to it. Everybody's given 200% to it. It was very difficult, but at the same time, it was very easy because there was a whole team of people who were there behind me and with me who were
following what our responsibility is, our responsibility to the passengers, responsibility to what actually happened that day. So there is a lady here who is wearing a t-shirt which is very important. It says, be humble, be loving, be gentle, be patient. That is of Vishal Khurana's also. And be strong.
देश के हालात हैं इस वजह से लोग घर से आम बुलाने से डरते हैं, फेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, खड़े नहीं हो पाते हैं चीज़ों के लिए, नई चीज़ों के लिए।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। देखिए, हमारे देश कोई पिछले कुछ ही वर्षों में बना हुआ देश नहीं है। ये बहुत पुराना देश है। इसमें यहाँ के संस्कृति में बहुत कुछ देखा है और यहाँ के लोगों में अपनी बात कहने की क्षमता है, अपनी बात सामने रखने की क्षमता है। जो कुछ भी होता है, लोग विवाद करते हैं, विवाद भी होना जरूरी है और उसके बाद जो विवादों के बाद निकलता है वो जनरली बहुत अच्छा निकलता है और हमारा देश आगे बढ़ता है। तो मुझे इस बात पर कभी ये नहीं होता है, अफसोस नहीं होता है या मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मुझे देश की जनता पर विश्वास नहीं है, लोगों पर विश्वास नहीं है। हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है, हमारे अंदर बहुत कुछ सहने की क्षमता और बहुत कुछ बदलने की क्षमता है और अंततः वही क्षमता जीतेगी और वही क्षमता आ जाएगी। आप देखते जाइए।
The reaction has been positive, that's what I can say. I am going to allow the Fox marketing team to answer that question. I will tell you when the time is right. What I can say right now is that the response has been very heartening, very positive. I'm not going to tell you what the certificate is yet. Am I allowed to say this? Yes, बताइए. He saw the trailer. We have great regard and respect for Amit. We are fans of his. We also learn from what he is as a human being. So to have his support is really a big thing for both Prasoon, myself and for Vishal. But Amir Khan believed in us, liked that trailer, that's a big thing.
I feel that a lot of culturally a lot of things which stay in our country, which have a great sound and great value and great meaning, and they are very musical. So we found that using the shofar here is making it sound very beautiful and also enhancing what we're trying to say about fear and overcoming the fear. So I think shofar enhances that and it has a beautiful meaning and a great sound. So that's the reason we humbly used it here. I hope people like it.
Vishal, can you take us through the process of giving music rights to how much time did it take and what was your inspiration like for this?
The process was like I read the script and composed the music. It's been some time that we've been working on the music and
actually started the background music almost a year ago. उसने गाने भी पहले से शुरू किए and he even came for acting workshops. So जब wherever we were shooting के लिए आया, workshop के लिए आया, to see a music director is giving that kind of time for things which is not ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ मैं सिर्फ music लिखूंगा. He was fully involved in the process of the making of the film. So where he was getting his inspiration was not only from himself, from Prasoon Joshi, but also from all that he even saw. But he's been at it now, I think 2 साल से चालू है.
अच्छी चीज़ विशाल की है कि ये लगे रहते हैं, एक चीज़ पे 4 चीज़ें ट्राई करते हैं, 5 चीज़ें ट्राई करते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट एट दिस एज इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट ही कीप्स ट्राइंग एंड कीप कमिंग अप विद न्यू आइडियाज एंड आई रियली एंजॉय. कई बार होता है कि यार हो गया, लेकिन देयर इज अ सॉन्ग लाइक लव सॉन्ग, वी डिड 2 लव सॉन्ग. द फर्स्ट वन बिकॉज ही बिलीव्ड इन इट, आई थिंक आई वेंट विद इट because he believed in the melody so much. I wrote it. That is very important that as creative people we believe in each other. So many times Ram will come up with an idea, I will explore it because he believes in it, and that is the process we've gone through it, and we really enjoyed it.
राम तेरे जी लादेन के साथ जी और भी काफी ज्यादा बस इसमें जी कुछ आपने
let all films, please see all films. Let everybody go out there and support us, support every film.
सर मेजर भानोट के परिवार की तरफ से क्या रिएक्शन है फिल्म को लेकर, उनको कैसे लगे?
जी उन्होंने अभी तक पिक्चर देखी नहीं है. They have seen the trailer, they have been in full support. We are very blessed that they have been there. Rama Bhanot passed away 2 days before the trailer, but she came and blessed us. और उनका एक favorite quotation जो है, which really remains in our hearts, which is जीते रहो, खुश रहो, सुखी रहो, मस्त रहो. I think with that we shall end today's session by saying जीते रहो, खुश रहो, सुखी रहो, मस्त रहो. Thank you.